Hello, hello, students. Happy Monday. Today we're talking about line of best fit, which you guys should be good at, and we shall be done with this unit probably in the end of this week. But this is a fun unit, okay? So we talked about scatter plots, and as you can see, there's different kinds of scatter plots. The first kind of scatter plot, there's three different kinds of scatter plots. There's ones that are positive correlation, meaning the relationship is positive. There's ones that are negative correlation, the relationship is going downwards, and then there's no correlation at all, right? So the first two are positive correlation. First three are positive correlation. This one has a better relationship. The two variables are correlated. As you can see, it comes to a straight line. This one has a high positive correlation, but it's not as good as the perfect one. In this one, you can tell it's going upwards, but it's coming to the point where it's very low because it can almost look like there's no trend. And then this one, no correlation. And then so forth. This has a low negative correlation, a high negative correlation, and then there's a perfect. You can draw a straight line through those points. It's a perfect negative correlation. And today what we're going to do is we're going to figure out how to draw the best fit line and use that to predict. That's the whole point. We're using it to predict. Okay, so say I drew the best fit line and I want to know how many points I scored if I played 28 minutes. I want to predict how many points I scored for 28 minutes of playing, right? So this is playing time. So I go to 28 minutes of playing time and I look at the corresponding Y value, which is 20 points. So I would score 20 points about, using my best fit line, I would score 20 points if I played 28 minutes, right? And then I can make predictions way out in the future. Like if I want to see how much I will score in 40 minutes, I look at my corresponding Y value. I would score about 28 points in 40 minutes, right? So that's how you can use to make predictions. So if you look at another one, 148 centimeters in height, I want to know how much an average person might weigh. And I check to see my best fit line. They weigh about 52 kilograms, right? So say I want to use my best fit line to figure out 156 height, right? I would just go and look at the corresponding Y value. So 156 centimeters corresponds to 62 kilograms, right? And I would use that. Mathematicians would find the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b form of that line, which you will be able to do, and use that to predict the weigh future. The weight, like maybe you want to figure out the weight of a 170 or 175 centimeter person, right? Because the taller you are, the more you're going to weigh. So as you can see, it has a very strong positive correlation. So what I want you to do in the next two slides is I want you to draw the line of best fit. Remember, when you're drawing the line of best fit, it has to be in the middle, as close to the points as possible. And I want you to tell me, using your line of best fit, now everyone's line of best fit might be different, but I want you to draw the line of best fit, and I want you to tell me what's the test score if I watch 5 hours of TV using your line of best fit. Okay, I want you to do the same thing here. Draw your line of best fit. As you can see, it's the Price airfares from Baltimore. So the more distance, the more airfare. So it's a positive trend, right? I want you to draw the line of best fit and tell me how much it cost for 16,000 miles, okay? So what will the airfare be after 1,600 miles? What's the airfare? Okay? There you go, using your line of best fit. Do that for me. Now, everyone's might be different, but it should be around the same. All right, well, today's word is mur, which means water. Mur, water. Miss Pot, can I get some mur? May I get some water? Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.